Hey guys, so the question is to sum or not to sum? Or in this case, solder H1 or not solder H1. So the reason you would solder H1 is to get both left and right channels out of this mono amp. The question came up about losing power or sound quality diminishing once it was summed. So you're going to be able to see this one summed, this one not summed, and we have a test box, we have test equipment, and we're going to put them to the test. We're not going to check voltages, literally just sound quality by my ear and whatever that thing says over there as far as numbers. So here we go. All right, so we're going to go with the summed first. And as you can see, everybody is basically about 3/4.
Whoa, Black Betty, whoa, Black Betty, Black Betty had a child, don't think gonna wild. She's always ready, she's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty, yeah, Black Betty.
All right, so it looks like 114.9 is what we did. You can see we were running 24 volts at 6 amps. All right, let's swap it out to the non-summed amp. All right, so we've got it swapped to the non-sum. You can see everybody's about 3/4. And we're gonna run the same test. Set that dude right there.
Whoa, 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 Black Betty, whoa, Black Betty, Black Betty had a child, don't think gonna wild. She's always ready, she's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty, yeah, Black Betty.
Okay, so it's just by ear. It's not really doing much. You see 114.4, so that's about the same as the other. To me, for some reason, the unsummed sounds a little better. So there you have it. Hope that helps.